Welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll show you how to view your Chase credit card points using the Chase app. Whether you're planning your next big purchase or just curious about how many points you've accumulated, this guide will make it easy to check your balance right from your phone. First, grab your smartphone and make sure you have the Chase app installed. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in your device's app store. Once that's done, open the app and sign into your account. You'll need your username and password handy for this step. On the home screen, you'll see a list of your Chase accounts. Go ahead and select your Chase credit card to proceed. Now that you're on your credit cards page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Rewards and Benefits. This is where you'll find all the information related to your rewards program. You'll see an arrow next to this section, and tapping it will open up the rewards options available to you. At this point, you have a couple of choices. You can select Cashback if you're interested in seeing how your points translate into cash rewards. Alternatively, if you want to explore other reward options, you can select the General Rewards section. This will provide a comprehensive overview of your points and the various ways you can use them. As you tap into these sections, your available Chase points or rewards balance will be prominently displayed. This is where you can see exactly how many points you've earned. It's a great way to keep track of your rewards and plan how you'd like to use them, whether that's for travel, gift cards, or statement credits. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Chase credit card points in the app. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few moments, and now you're better prepared to make the most of your rewards. Remember, keeping an eye on your points balance can help you maximize the benefits of your credit card. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more of our guides for additional tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy spending.